Hey, beauties! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through the basic makeup steps every girl should know. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refresh your skills, this video is for you. Alright, let's get started. The first step in any makeup routine is to start with a clean, moisturized face. Step number 1. Cleansing and moisturizing. Always start with a clean slate. Use your favorite cleanser to wash your face and follow up with a moisturizer that suits your skin type. This will ensure your makeup goes on smoothly and stays put throughout the day. Step 2. Primer. Next, we have primer. Primer helps to create a smooth base for your foundation and can make your makeup last longer. Apply a small amount all over your face, focusing on areas where your makeup tends to wear off quickly. Step 3. Foundation. Now it's time for foundation. Choose a shade that matches your skin tone. You can use a brush, a sponge, or your fingers to apply it. Blend it well into your skin, making sure there are no harsh lines. Step 4. Concealer. Concealer is your best friend for hiding dark circles, blemishes, and any other imperfections. Apply it under your eyes in a triangular shape and on any spots that need extra coverage. Blend it out gently. Step 5. Setting powder. To keep everything in place, set your foundation and concealer with a setting powder. This helps to control shine and keep your makeup looking fresh all day. Step 6. Eyebrows. Eyebrows frame your face, so it's important to fill them in. Use a brow pencil or powder to shape and define your brows. Remember to use light, feathery strokes for a natural look. Step 7. Eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, start with a neutral base color all over your lid. You can add a darker shade to the crease for some depth and a lighter shade in the inner corners of your eyes to brighten them up. Step 8. Eyeliner. Eyeliner can really make your eyes pop. You can use a pencil, gel, or liquid liner. Start from the inner corner of your eye and work your way out, keeping the line as close to your lash line as possible. Step 9. Mascara. Mascara is a must. It opens up your eyes and makes your lashes look longer and fuller. Apply a few coats to your top and bottom lashes, wiggling the wand as you go to avoid clumps. Step 10. Blush. Add a touch of color to your cheeks with Blush Smile to find the apples of your cheeks. Step 11. Highlighter. Highlighter gives you that beautiful glow. Apply it to the high points of your face, cheekbones, brow bones, the bridge of your nose, and your cupid's bow. Step 12. Lipstick. Finish off your look with some lipstick or lip gloss. Choose a color that complements your makeup and makes you feel confident. And there you have it. A simple, step-by-step makeup routine that every girl should know. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.